Welcome, visitor. Welcome to Dimension 317, division of the Zoetropic Galaxy. While solar quakes foretell the coming vortex, we prepare. Our dimension is not like yours. Masses suffer from dimnesia, a condition that suppresses a once vibrant society into joyless dystopia. Beware the void. It seeks suppression. The setting of our story is the Fifth Taste Research Laboratory, where scientists and sensory synesthetes are immersed in musical, colorful, flavorful research to resensitize the unaware. This mission is urgent. The vortex of the great unknown approaches with ever-increasing intensity, threatening to consume us all. Come see Vortex of the Great Unknown at Cincinnati Fringe Festival. Fiery vortex, singing flavors, dim folk, lots of kissing. Written by previous Fringe award-winning playwright duo Serenity Fisher and Robin O'Neill Kissel. Directed by Sarah Clark. Starring Tori Wiggins, Dashiell Waterbury, Serenity Fisher, Whitney Argadine, featuring Jeff Burkle as Sid Field. Check www.cincyfringe.com for show logistics and to purchase tickets.